Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the reverse blanket stitch. And this is a good stitch for blankets or placemats because you won't need a border. It forms its own border of scallops all the way around. So let's get started. Start with a foundation row in multiples of 4. When you have your foundation row the correct length, double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet. Chain 2. Skip the next 2 stitches. In the next stitch, work 2 double crochet. Chain 2. Single crochet in the next stitch. Like that, you're going to repeat that across the row. So skip 2, work 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 2, single crochet in the next stitch. Skip 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the last stitch. And that's how the first row will look. For the next row, chain 2 and turn. Now across this row, you're always going to be working in the chain 2 space. So in this chain 2 space, I'm going to work 2 double crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the same stitch. Go to the next chain 2 space, 2 double crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the same space. Like that, and you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and now this is going to be a repeat row for the remainder of the pattern. And it's chain 2 and turn, 2 double crochet in that chain 1 space, 1 and 2, chain 2, single crochet in the same space. You're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Go to the next chain 2 space, work 2 double crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the same space. Like that, you repeat all the way across the row. And I have a larger one here that I've made. And as you can see, it forms loops down the sides, and you'll have loops across the top row as well. And that's how easy it is to crochet the reverse blanket stitch. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.